Order a Django query set by ManyToManyField equals value. If have some models like I can do a filter. But is it possible to order a query set on the tag's value? What I would expect, or like, back in this example, would be all thing models, but ordered where they have a tag/tags that I know. I don't want to filter them out, but bring them to the top. I gather this is possible using the field operator, but seemingly I can only make it work on columns in that models table, for example title, but not on linked tables. Thanks. Edit. After having accepted the below solution, I realized a bug/limitation with it. If a particular thing has multiple tags, then, due to the left join done behind the scenes in the SQL, it will produce one entry for that thing, for each tag that it has, with a true or false for each tag that matches or not. Adding distinct to the query set helps only slightly, limiting to a max of 2 rows per thing, i.e. one tagged equals true, and one tagged equals false. I know what I need to do in the SQL, which is to max the case, and then group by thing's primary key, which means I will get 1 row per thing. And if there has been any tag matches, tagged will be true, and false otherwise. I see the way that people typically achieve this kind of thing is to use values like this. But the result is only park and tagged. I need the whole thing model as the result. So I've managed to achieve what I want, thusly. This seems to work, but the group by mechanism feels weird/hacky. Is it acceptable/reliable to group in this way? Sorry for the epic updated frown.
I try annotate the query with a conditional value that turns true when the tag is in the list you provide. Next we use that annotation we call tag underscore is underscore known to sort with order underscore by. Boolean version.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.